Hey everyone! In today's Kinsta Quick Tip, you'll learn how to perform a WordPress search and replace. If you're a Kinsta customer, you can use our search and replace tool integrated in the My Kinsta dashboard. To find this tool, go to Sites. Next, navigate to the Search and Replace option on Tools. You can use this tool for different operations including updating your SEO keywords, correcting a grammatical or spelling error, removing certain words or special characters, updating your HTTP URLs to HTTPS after migration, moving your site from www to non-www URLs, and updating old shortcodes, content, or strings of text. If you haven't successfully transitioned all assets from HTTP to HTTPS, you might experience mixed content warnings. This might result in your online businesses or web browsers such as Chrome and Firefox to be subjected to strict warnings for potential visitors. If you want to avoid these problems or are already experiencing these issues, make sure you check out this in-depth guide about fixing mixed content warnings, which will be in the description below. Moving on. For this example, I am going to be changing some URLs that use HTTP to ones using HTTPS. In the search field, enter what you want to search for in the database. In this case, we use our HTTP domain. Now click Search. This will run a search on the database and show the number of occurrences. Now, go to the Replace box and enter the value that should be used to replace what you search for. In this case, we use our HTTPS domain. We recommend leaving the Clear Cache When Ready box checked to automatically purge Kinsta cache after the search and replace process. Now click the Replace button. After this process is completed, you will see a confirmation showing the number of replacements processed. If you want to learn more about using search and replace not within Kinsta dashboard, make sure you check out this blog post, which will also be in the description below. And that's our quick tip for today. For more WordPress tips and tricks, visit kinsta.com/resources. Make sure you are also subscribed to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram. If you have any questions, our support team is available 24/7 to help you out.